Imagine walking into the office on a normal Tuesday morning. You're grabbing a printout, and there, sitting right on the edge of the communal printer, is a stray flash drive. Your first instinct is likely to figure out who left it. Maybe it holds important meeting notes or belongs to a coworker who's currently searching their desk for it. With the intention of being helpful, you take it to your desk and slide it into your company laptop to check the owner's name. Most of us handle these small tools with the same casual indifference as a pen or a stapler, assuming a physical object you can hold in your hand is inherently safe. That one physical connection creates a bridge that bypasses the company's entire digital perimeter, firewalls, web filters, and email scanners, providing a direct, unmonitored path into the heart of the system. At first glance, the drive appears exactly as expected. A directory pops up on your screen, filled with standard documents labeled meeting notes or Q3 photos. But that ordinary directory is a mask. Hiding behind those recognizable file names is a deceptive, malicious payload. This is a Trojan tactic. The malware uses the guise of routine, trusted files to trick you and your operating system into allowing the code to execute. It unpacks itself in total silence. There are no sudden pop-ups and no flashing red alarms. The code simply dissolves into your computer's background processes. Because the attack relies entirely on visual deception, you cannot trust what you see on your screen when dealing with unverified removable media. While you're clicking through the visible folders, the malware is quietly copying its code deep into your laptop's operating system. Once it secures a foothold, it begins its next automated objective: scanning the local machine for active connections to company-shared folders and cloud directories. This is the moment of lateral spread. The parasitic code jumps from your laptop to the broader, interconnected corporate network. It targets external backups and network-connected systems, ensuring maximum penetration before the IT department can even detect an anomaly. In just a few seconds, the scale of the threat shifts. One individual action at a single desk has compromised the entire organization's digital infrastructure. The results of a network-wide infection are catastrophic. Files are exfiltrated, confidential data is exposed, and ransomware lockouts bring daily business operations to a complete halt. This level of company-wide paralysis originates from a single, unverified device, small enough to fit on a keychain. But we can return to that moment right before the connection. You're at your desk, drive in hand, but this time, you pause. You decide not to plug it in. Total prevention of this network threat is possible through human behavior. It starts with a simple choice to prioritize security over curiosity. The primary rule of thumb is absolute. Never insert a flash drive, hard drive, or memory card if you do not know its exact origin. Use only officially approved, encrypted company storage for your work. If you must use an external file, ensure it undergoes a mandatory virus scan before you attempt to open it. If you find a stray device in the office or a public space, do not attempt to investigate it yourself. Report it immediately to the IT or security team so they can handle it safely. Treat every unverified piece of hardware with a singular mindset. An unknown device is an unknown risk. The only guaranteed way to defeat a physically disguised digital threat is to pause, ask the right questions, and think before you plug.